Welcome back. Your highest converting leads probably aren't in your MQL pile. They're already using your product. Today, what a PQL is, the 2026 conversion benchmarks, the trigger criteria by product type, and how to wire PQLs into HubSpot. Start with the difference. An MQL downloaded a white paper that's marketing engagement. A PQL actually used your product and hit a usage threshold tied to conversion. The MQL is still asking, is this for me? The PQL is asking, is this worth the price? MQL is interest. PQL is validation, worth about 1.7x the conversion rate. A real PQL meets three criteria, all of them. 1. Demographic fit, the right title, company size, industry. 2. A usage threshold, in-product behavior that signals real value, always product-specific. 3. Timing recency, the behavior happened in the last 14 to 30 days. A 60-day-old PQL has already cooled. Now the numbers. PQL to paid converts at a median 32%, top quartile 45 plus, best in class 55. PQL to SQL in a sales assisted motion, a median 55%. PQLs should be about 18% of your leads. Against a 19% MQL to SQL rate, that lift is 60 to 140% more SQL per lead. Why is the lift so big? It's structural. Fit is already proven. The prospect used the product and felt the value. The biggest MQL to SQL killer, mismatched fit, is gone before sales even calls. And the conversation is shorter, so it closes faster. But the trigger has to match the product. For collaboration tools, it's inviting 3+ teammates in the first week. For dev tools, a production API call 40 to 55%. For sales engagement, a first sequence to 5+ contacts. And the highest, payroll SaaS, where a completed first run converts 45 to 62%. Mission critical trust. So how do you know a trigger is real? It has to clear two bars. Signal value. Users who hit it convert at 4x plus the rate of users who don't. And volume usefulness. At least 12% of all signups reach it within 14 days. Under 12%, it's too tight, no volume. Under 4x, it's too loose, no signal.
Then wire it into HubSpot as a parallel track to MQL. Never a force merge. 5 moves, a custom PQL stage, a Slack alert with usage context, a PQL specific script that opens with "we noticed you've been using this feature," a 5-minute SLA because manual pickup takes hours and burns half the pipeline, and a 30-day regression rule for stale PQLs.
This is where GrowthSpree is different. We calibrate the trigger to your product and validate it to a 4x lift, run PQLs on a parallel stage, route them with their own script, and a 5-minute SLA, and track conversion against benchmarks. All at $3,000 a month, flat. And it shows up in results. Price labs, 0.7 to 2.5x ROAS, where a PQL definition unlocked a higher converting lead source. Traxi, 4x trials at 51% lower cost with triggers on team invitation behavior. Rocket Lane, 3.4x ROAS and 36% lower cost per demo through PQL-aware routing. To recap, a PQL is validated product value plus intent, fit, usage, recency. It converts at a median 32% to paid, about 1.7x an MQL. Triggers are product specific. Validate each at 4x lift and 12% qualification. And in HubSpot, run a parallel stage with a 5-minute SLA. If your warmest, highest intent users are buried in the MQL pile, you're leaking pipeline every day. Book a free 45-minute audit with GrowthSpree's senior operators. We'll surface your top 3 pipeline leaks. Flat $3,000 a month, no lock-in. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.